Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Good morning. How are you? What happened to Zaid? She just
Um,
left, right? Are you all good?
yes.
But I'm feeling like you're so sleepy. Hmm? You just woke up, huh?
Yes, I went today late.
You just woke up and came.
Home.
Zaituna?
My computer battery just went off. So
Okay. Please turn on your video, child.
okay.
Okay, so how are you all doing? Minha,
Good, ma'am.
you do you want to go on sleep?
No.
Huh? We're seeing your face and feeling like that. You're so sleepy. Huh? Since it's Friday.
Hmm.
Yesterday you went to bed late.
Yes.
Did you slept late yesterday? Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, actually, your sound is not audible.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
Zaitun, I can hear you. Please turn.
I turned on my camera. Can you see
No,
me?
no, I cannot.
Maybe I'll leave and join. Maybe it will be the network off.
Okay. So, where is Fatima Zahra? She is missing, right? Yeah. Hmm. Then, did you have any plans for today? Today is Friday, right? Do
Yes.
you have any plan for today? You plan to go anywhere?
No.
No, no plan. What
No.
about tomorrow? Are you going anywhere?
Yes.
Where, Minha?
Yes. Mm,
Yes, Zaitun, I can see you now.
dot, dot. But my screen is black screen. Nothing is there.
But I can see you properly now.
Only the camera screen. I could see the other options. Yeah, now it's.
It might be
But
because
I
of a
could not
network
see
issue.
you, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
So Zaituna, do you have any plan for today?
Yes. No.
Hello?
I think maybe we will be going. I don't know.
Hello, can you see me properly?
I could not see you, but I could hear your voice properly. And
I
now I
think I
could
have
hear.
some network issue here.
Is Fatima and Minha on? No, Minha and Aman is on. Yeah, now it's okay.
So what were we discussing? What were we discussed in the last class? Hmm? I said you before coming to class, go through your textbook, revise it and come, right? Hmm? Did you do
Yes.
this? Did you do that?
Yes.
So what was I'm taking?
Yeah.
What did I take in the last class?
Place
Uh,
value.
Hmm?
uh,
No, no.
uh,
Sequences and number.
What?
7.
No.
7. What did we take, Aman, in the last class?
The unit 1.2.
Yeah, unit 1.2. What was the unit 1.2?
We take rounded to decimal.
Rounding?
Decimal.
To decimal.
Yeah,
Decimal.
rounding decimal numbers. This is what I said. You did not go through a textbook. I said you before coming to class, go through your textbook and revise and come. Right? Then why did you did not do that? So we done some questions, isn't it? And you were having one homework. 3 and 5 was homework. You do that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Aman, what about you?
I
You did
didn't
the
finish
homework?
right. Yes,
Huh?
I do. The third one and the fourth one.
Third one and the
Not the
fifth one, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
The
So I'll ask first one by one the answers, okay? 4.35. Minha.
5.35.
4.35 when we round what we'll get? We have to round it to the nearest whole number.
Oh, 4.35.
4.35 only. Will you write 4.35 with that?
Hmm?
Will we write 4.35? We have to round it to the whole number. Whole number means what? Only one number will be there. That means there will not be any decimal point in it.
5.
What?
5.
Is it 5? Will it change it to the next number? It's 4.35. It's 3. We have to check the number 3. You forget everything within one night. You said the answer very correctly in the last class. Look, 4.3. 3 is what we have to check. It's 4.35. So 3 is less than 5. So what we'll do? Amen. What is the answer?
We have to make the 3 and add it to the 4. Like that.
Just say what is the answer.
Answer 4.5.
4.5. Is that what I said in the last class? 4.3 is the number we have to check, right? So 3 is less than 5. I'm saying you have to round it to a whole number, not a decimal number, not in the 10th. You have to, nearest to 10th is the question in 5. You have to round it to the nearest whole number. So whole number it means there will not be any point for whole number. Understood?
Yes.
So when you round it, what will get? Zaituna, what is the answer?
The first one, 4.35.
I'm asking the answer.
It's a 4.3 itself.
How come 4.35 is a whole number? Is 4.35 a whole number? What do you mean
No.
by a whole number? You know, a decimal is having two parts. One is whole number, whole part, and one is decimal part. So whole number means the number before the decimal point. That means this part. Look, before the decimal
Yeah.
part, that is the whole number. So 4.35, just listen here very well. 4.35 is a decimal number. So we have to round it to the nearest whole number. So what we'll do, first we will check the number 3. Is 3 less than 5?
Yes.
Yes. So what we'll do? We will just select the same number itself. So the answer is 4, not 4.35. Only 4 is the answer when we round. Understand?
Okay.
Just check it. Look here. I'll say you one more example. This is 4. And look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look here. So this is 4.1, this is 4.2, this is 4.3. Right? So 4.35 means it will be coming like here. Understood? Understood? 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. So it will be coming here. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So just check whether it is nearest to the 5. Here the 5 will be, or it is nearest to 4. Which one it is nearest? Huh? To which one it is nearest? To 4 or 5?
4.
Nearest to the 4.
Nearest to 4, right? For 4, it is having only some
4.
distance. But to 5,
4.
4.
many it is there.
4.
So the answer is 4. Understood? This is how that is the main thing on this. This is how we can explain this. So 4.35 will be coming here. So 4.35 is nearest to which whole number? 4, right?
Yeah.
Amen, just check here. I'll just show you that pictorial representation of rounding. Okay, Amen? Look here, when we mark it in a number line manner, I'll just show you once again. Listen very well, okay, children. This is a very important part. Don't, in this chapter fully, this type of questions are there. So you have to know it very well. Okay, I'll just show you once again. This is 4 here. Okay. And this is 5. Okay, man. Look here. There are many. Okay. Look here. This is 4.1. This is 4.2. This is 4.3. And where will 4.35 will come? 4.35. It will be in the middle of 4.3 and 4.4, right? Okay, man. Understood? So
Yes.
4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. Okay. So 4.35 will be here, middle of 4.3 and 4.4. So just check, here it is 4.35, the number, okay? Just check whether it is nearest to 4, the whole number 4, or nearest to the whole number 5. Which one, Aman? To which number it is nearest?
4. Whole number 4.
Aman, just say some more in a loud voice.
The whole number 4.
The whole number 4. Look here, only some distance is there to whole number 4. But to 5, there is many distance. Okay, so in such a way, when it is 3, when it is 4.4 also, and till 4.4, we will just round it to 4. Okay, but after, when it is 4.5, from 4.5, that means from 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, and 4.9. To all this number, we will round it to 5. Got it?
Yes.
Aman, can you adjust your cam a little bit down? I cannot see your face properly. some more. Are you using lap or desktop? Amen.
I am using laptop and desktop. One,
Both.
my laptop's display is not working. That's why we use the camera from there and we bring it to the computer.
Okay. Very good, dear. So 4.5. From 4.5, we will round it to 5. Till 4.4, we will round it to 4. This is in the same case of every numbers, whether it is 9, 8, 10, 9, 6 and 4, everything. Okay, understood now. Now, so 4.35, we will round it to which whole number?
4.
4,
4.
4.
0.05, will we round it to which whole number?
4,
4.
4.
Very good, 4. 4.5, we will round it to which whole number?
4,
4.
5.
4.5. I said
5.
from 5,
5.
from 5 we will round it to the next whole number. That is what I said right now, is it? So 4.5 we will round it to
5,
5. Very good.
5.
5.05 we will round to
5.
5.
5.
Good. 4.55 we will round to
5.
5.
5 itself. 5.35 we will round to
5 itself.
5.
5 itself. 5.5, amen. 5.5. We'll round to
5,
5.5.
5, 5,
From 5, we will round to the next whole number. So,
6,
6.
6,
Okay, 5.5, we will round to 6. What about 5.53, Minha?
5.
5.53.
No, 6.
3. 3.
What?
No.
What is the next whole number
It's
after
6.
5?
Not
6. 6. Sorry.
Yeah. You said 3. 6 is the answer for 5.5. From 5, look here. After decimal number, if it is 5, we will, if it is 5 or more than 5, we will round it to the next whole number. Okay?
Okay.
Why this much trouble in the small thing? You just want to check whether the number is less than 5 or equal to 5 or greater than 5. If it is equal to 5 and greater than 5, we will round it to the next whole number. Okay? And if it is less than 5, we will just select the same number here. Understood? Will you get confused again?
No.
No. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now the fifth question. Okay.
Okay.
You have to round it to the nearest tenth. Okay. You have to round it to the nearest tenth means this number we have to round. Tenth is this number, right? And so for that we have to check which number? The second number after the decimal point. For rounding to the nearest tenth, just
It will
not
be 8.
round it to the, when we want to round to the nearest tenth, what we have to do? We just want to check the second number after the decimal point. And we have to round the 10th place. Okay?
Okay.
So, 7.35. To which number we will round? Amen.
7.35 will round to the nearest 6.
6. Which number we have to round here? Which is the 10th place here? Amen.
8.
In this number, which is the 10th place?
10th place.
Yeah. This is ones, tens, hundred. It will goes on like this. And in this part, which is the tenth place, tens, hundred,
And 3.
three. Three is the tenth place. So we have to round to the nearest tenth, right?
Yes.
So I'll just show you in a pictorial manner again. Okay. So 7. It is 7.1. 1 minute. 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, and it is going like 7.35 is the number, right? So here it is. I'll just show it once again. This is, we have to divide 7.31, 7.32. Okay. 7.3 is here. And 7.4 is here. Okay. So in
Okay.
between there are many numbers like 7.31.
7.3.
What will be the next number after this? 7.32,
10.32.
right?
32.
7.33. Zahra, what happened?
7.32.
Why were you late? Fatima,
I need to wake up, ma'am.
forgot about the class today's.
No, ma'am.
Then why?
I will wake up tonight.
Okay. Don't repeat it, okay? Join in the correct time.
Okay, ma'am.
7.35, 7.36, 7.37. Zahra, Fatima Zahra, when we round it
Yes,
to
ma'am.
round 7.35 to nearest tenth, so what will be the answer when we round?
8.1.
8.1. Look, 7.35 is nearest to 7.4 or 7.3.
7.4.
That is the question. Look here. 7.35 is nearest to 7.4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to check the second number, second decimal number. That means second number after the decimal point. So here it is 5. So 5 or more than 5 means we will round it to the next number. Okay.
Yes.
Look here. 7. This is 5. So we will round this 3 to the, what is the next number after 3?
4.
4. So we'll round it to 7.4. 7.4 is the answer. Got it, Aman? If you have any doubt, you can ask me now itself. When I ask the question, you should not answer the the wrong one. Got it? Minha, Aman, Zaituna,
Yes.
Fatima, Zahra. Do you have any doubt? Hmm?
No.
No, ma'am.
Are you
No,
sure?
ma'am.
Okay. So, Aman, what is the answer for the next one? 7.05. Round it to the nearest tenth.
7.1.
Very good. It's 7.1. Don't forget it, okay? When you come after the class, that means the next day you will forget it and come. So that I'm saying it repeatedly. Just revise your portions and come before coming to classes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
7.05. 7.05 will round it to 7.1. Right?
Yes.
Minha, to which number will round 7.51?
7.5.
7.15.
Very good. It's 7.5 itself because 1 is less than 5. So we'll just keep the same number, the number in 10th itself. Zaituna, what about 7.55?
Um, no, 7.65.
Very good. It's 7.6. Will 7.65 will come, Zaituna?
No, 6. No, 7.6.
Yeah, 7.6 is the answer. What about
Are you stuck?
7.49? Fatima Zahra, 7.49.
7.5.
7.5. Very good. It's 7.5. What about 7.56, Aman?
7.56 is equal to 56. 4.956, right? Will 7.6.
What?
7.6.
Very good. 7.6. So I hope all of you got this thing. Yesterday also you said the same answer. You said the correct answer before the class wind up. But when I asked today, you were not. No one is answering the correct one. Why is it so? Minha, what is the last answer? 7.53.
7.5.
7.5. Good. Okay. So that's it. Let's move to the next question.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Correct all the statements that are false. So there are many false statements here. You have to correct it. Okay. 3.04 is 3 when round to the nearest whole number and the nearest tenth. Is that the correct question, correct statement?
No, ma'am.
No.
Go ahead
False.
and correct it.
Mm,
3.04 is 3 when we round to the nearest whole number. Is that correct? When we round to the nearest whole number, will we get 3?
No.
Yes.
Is that correct?
No, ma'am.
No.
When we round 3.04 to the nearest
Ma'am,
whole
it's
number,
correct. It's correct.
3.04
Mm,
to the nearest whole number, will we get 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the other one is
Look,
3
this
yeah.
one is 0. The number is
Mm,
0. So it will be 3 only, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. And what about the nearest tenth? When we look tenth, we have to look the number
It
4.
will be 3.1.
It will be 3.1.
No,
Zaituna?
no, no. It's 3. No, it's the
3.0.
same.
It's
3.
3.0 itself. 3.0 means
Mm,
what? 3 only.
Yeah.
Okay.
okay.
3.0 means 3 only. So the
Okay.
answer, the question, the statement is very much correct. Okay. So when we round
Okay.
3.04 to nearest whole number and nearest tenth, we'll get the same answer 3. Okay.
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 Good. So what about the next question? 5.03 is 5 when we round to the nearest whole number and 5.0 when we round it to the nearest tenth.
Mm,
5.03 is 5 when we round to the nearest whole number. Is that correct?
Correct.
Correct. Very good.
Yes.
And what about
okay.
the second one? 5.0 when rounded to the nearest tenth. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, that's
No.
Ye-
correct.
Yes. Yes.
No. Who said no?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Fatima, is that false?
Yes.
No,
5.
it's true.
when we round 5.03 to the nearest tenth, which number will we get? When we round 5.03 to the nearest tenth, which number will we get? Fatima?
5, 0.
Is 5 and 5.0 equal? 5.0
Yes.
only we will get because 3 is
No,
less than
ma'am.
5. So we will not change it to the next
Hello,
whole number. It will be 5.0.
Okay.
So 5 point, this statement is also correct. Okay.
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 What about the C question? 6.95 is 7 when we round to the nearest whole number, and 6.9 when we round to the nearest tenth.
False.
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 Where is the
False.
wrong one come? Is the
Mm,
So on the first
first one correct?
nearest 10.
the first one will
Correct.
get
6.95 is 7 when we round to the nearest whole number. Is this correct?
no false.
Fatima Zahra is 6.9. When we round 6.95, which number we will get to the nearest whole number? I'm asking. To the nearest whole number, which number we will get?
6.15.
When we round 6.95, will we get 6.15? I'm asking to the nearest whole number.
Is 7.
It's
Oh.
7.
Yeah.
Right. So what they said is correct here. What about this? 6.9 when we round 6.95 to the nearest tenth. Okay. When we round 6.95 to the nearest tenth, which number will get?
7 itself.
6.5. 6.5.
Ma'am, is that 7 itself?
So,
Who said 7 itself? Zaituna or Aman? Who said?
Me.
Aman?
Yes.
Did you say that it is 7 itself?
No.
no.
Zaituna said?
Yeah.
Okay. So 6.95 when we round to the nearest tenth. It is 5 here, right?
Yes.
This is 5 here.
Yeah.
And when we round it to the nearest 10, when it is 5 means we have to change it to the next whole number. That means 9 will change
6.
to 10.
9.9.
So when we change 9 to 10, it will be 0 here and 1 here. 1 will be added here. So it will be 7. Okay, it's not 6.9.
Yeah.
It will be 7 only. Got?
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I
Now
said
correct the
7.
statement. It will be 7 when round to the nearest tenth also. Just correct. Only that mistake is there in this whole statements. Written?
Yeah, I returned.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Someone.
Okay. So do the 7th and 8th question fast. First you do the 7th question, everyone. Minha, you there?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
can do the sixth one.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
first question I don't know, ma'am. That measures.
What?
The first is seventh question. I
Yeah.
don't know.
The same thing itself, you just want to round it, round that number. Don't think of the liters, meters, and kilograms and all. Okay,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
just round it to the nearest tenth. Okay, you have to round it to the nearest tenth.
Let's a number from left side round.
I'm finished.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we want to do ninth question.
Sorry. Did you finish the seventh and eighth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed seventh and eighth one fully?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Just wait, okay? If you are able to do the ninth question by your own, please do that. Then the sixth, seventh, and eighth question. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the answer for the seventh question? 5.55. Say the fast answers, okay? 5.55 when we round to the nearest tenth. What is the answer?
5,
5.
5.6.
5.
What?
No.
When we round 55.55,
55.6.
what?
55.6.
Very good. That's the correct answer.
Ma'am,
55.6.
I will do
Good
that.
job, dear. Now, what about 12.22?
12.2.
12.2.
20.
12.2.
35.45.
35.5.
30.
35.5. Is that the answer
30.
all of you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
30.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have science.
Okay, so you just take your break. I'm sorry, I already took your 4
The
minutes.
next question answer is 0.5.
Yes, we can discuss it afterwards. I already took your 4 minutes. You
Bye,
can take your
ma'am.
break. Okay, bye bye. Have a great
Okay,
day,
bye,
everyone.
ma'am.
Have a great day, all. Take your break.
Okay, next.